Are you ready, Colt?
Yeah.
All right, so today is day 6 of Influencer Family opening up our daily mail just to share with you what our life is like and what comes in the mail. Now, this is fun packages, but most of these boxes mean more work. So, who got more packages today? Savannah or Steve? Savannah's right there. She doesn't want to be on camera today because she's not prepared. But Colty is going to fill in and help out, right?
Yeah.
All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so here's the first one.
Let's see.
Is this the Savannah stack?
Are you ready to see what this is?
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da!
Oh, Disney bands.
Look at this.
Look at the magic bands.
Here, go by Daddy. I'll let you look at them.
Yeah. Whoa.
How cool is that?
I have Mickey and
Which one? Oh, Carter has. Oh, is that a pink ice cream Mickey? Is that Mommy's? I'm glad somebody got magic bands. I didn't get any when I renewed. Well,
See that? That's a
and Carter has
picture.
Star Wars.
Can I see this one?
Tanner has,
Yeah.
what's that?
Ohana.
Ohana means family.
Yeah, that's.
We're renewing in the process of renewing our season
Let's
passes.
do it this.
So when you renew your passes, you get the option to upgrade your magic band at a cost.
Of $600 a piece.
Disney does nothing free anymore.
I'm excited about these.
Let's
We
do
want
it.
$1,000 a person every year, and we won't even give you a chunk of plastic for free.
Oh, it has. Look, it comes with charging. They have chargers.
Oh, they have chargers now.
Dang, Disney,
Dang,
you
we'll
are.
have to do a video on that. Magic
You
bands
are
with
moving
chargers.
on up.
They used to just be transcoders, transponders. This is a Steve Bennett package. What? This is not mine. That is yours.
Let's.
What is it?
Are you sure you're not? That's not for you?
I'm pretty sure. Here's a Savannah.
This is a sweater that they want me to take pictures of.
Is that for your live or is that for...
No, it's another company.
Oh, you're cheating on your company. Look out, Savannah's company. She's getting
What is
other
it?
invites.
That's Daddy's.
Here, this is yours.
Ooh, look at it's big.
It is big, huh? Nobody ever told me that before.
That's it. Yep, that's me. That's me.
Look, this is for Sissy.
Ooh, look at that little dress. What's that called? It's
Like a
tennis?
little peplum.
Yeah, from Disney.
This
That's
is
for
a
Disney World?
phone case. If it would only come in 2 days ago, it wouldn't have a broken glass.
Look at
one
this
is
one.
big, too.
For review.
This is big too.
Okay.
Elizabeth. Look how cute.
So we have 1, 2, 3 for Mommy, right?
One for Lizzie. Look.
Colt, be careful, buddy.
Elizabeth.
And one for me.
His.
All right,
Penelope.
Colty. Let's see what's in this one. That might be a Christmas present.
Can you go try these on for me?
Is this gonna be a
All
Christmas?
right. You can try them on later since you just put that whole costume on. This is... Are you just getting more and more stuff in my name? What is that?
Oh yeah.
What is
Those
that?
are masks.
Mask for what?
Like that you cover your face with because of
Mask that you cover your face with.
like,
For review.
you know, yeah, those are review.
This is Savannah.
Steve WB.
What is that? This is a...
Is it gonna be cracker?
I didn't say yes to this.
What is
A
that?
seedling eye mask?
Oh, that's probably mine too.
Oh. Okay, I'm still at 1.
Oh, these are Colties. Here, go buy Dada.
So you've been saying yep a lot, huh?
That's to
What is this for?
um
Kids headphones? Is this a review?
Yeah, this one is for me.
That is for you?
Yeah.
Awesome. You wanna go
those
show your
ones right
brothers?
there are for
Yeah.
your
I
boy.
will show it to. I
For
will
what?
show it to my
Oh.
mom.
This will go so that when you go on your travel, look. Let's see.
Awesome. Is that cool?
Look, we got a
You got a
charger.
big noggin.
Look.
You got a charger?
Show them. Awesome.
We got
Can you
charger.
tell he just watched you?
Wait, it's off.
No, don't touch. Don't touch. Don't touch.
Oh, earthquake.
Okay, here. You go show them real quick. You go show brothers your headphones.
Go show them.
Careful, okay?
Okay. These are cool.
Like we told you yesterday, there's those new car toys that are like crazy and they're already selling out. So I saw them. What the heck? You said yes to another one of those?
No, this is not a Blink doorbell. This is just the bracket.
One we have.
Yeah, I told him I already had one, but he sent us one from his company to do a review on. So that's only 2 that I have. It's a Blink doorbell bracket. If you don't want to drill or mount it, you just clamp this on the door.
Perfect for renters.
Ooh, check that out. Savannah. Boy, you're really killing it today, sweetheart. Ooh, this is a good one.
What's that one?
This is from my new, I got a new sponsor, I would say, for doing live streams on Amazon. And they do fully stone drones and DRC remote control cars. You coming back? So they're sending me a bunch of their products. I already have a bunch just to do live streams on Amazon with. And this is the latest one.
Nope.
This is a
Coach,
RC truck. It is the
This one is for
9500E.
Lizzie. I think.
Are you done, Colty?
This is for Lizzie.
That is for Lizzie. Is that for a review? What is that?
Another makeup set.
Oh, a makeup set for Lizzie for review?
Yeah, I will bring it to her.
You
wanna
can go show her. Go show her.
Lizzie her review. So Lizzie got a makeup set. But this is the DRC 9500 RC car. I wonder what it looks like. So I'll have to actually do the real unboxing for this. And on our review channel too, we'll have a full review of it as well. The way I like to do my reviews is I don't sit there and say anything is the greatest thing ever and you must have it. I just show the specs, the features, what it looks like, how big it is, and show you how it performs. And then I kind of let you form your own opinion and you can decide if it's something you want or not. Because the way Amazon works, if I sit there and tell you it's the greatest thing ever and you get it and you hate it, whatever money I made, when you return it, I lose. So it does not benefit me. You're coming back?
Yeah.
It's upside down, Dad. Cool, thank you. No,
I'm going to give you guys a sneak peek
careful.
of this RC car. You ready? You want to see this truck?
Yeah.
Is it exciting?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, something fell out. Check this out.
What?
Whoa.
Here, you want to take these off?
Whoa. This has dual motors, 4-wheel drive.
Look.
You found an accessory bag. Don't pull them all out.
What do they have?
Those
Awesome.
are batteries. Can you put those back?
Those are the batteries. It comes with 2 batteries.
Yeah.
What color is that truck? What color?
Red and black and white.
That's right.
Nice.
Awesome, dude. Hold on, we're not going to take it out. We're going to have to drive it later.
Hold on. Cool.
I know, you're so excited, huh?
Look.
But anyway, this
I
is...
came world.
Uh-huh.
Look.
You're crashing the party.
All right, come here, buddy.
I'm going.
You can stay here. Can Daddy finish talking?
Yeah.
Okay. So anyway, this is day 6 of our haul. We have a lot of stuff coming in right now.
Yeah.
Supposed to not.
Daisy.
But
Yep.
Daddy can't say no.
But Mommy keeps telling everybody, yes, we'll do the
Daddy
review.
can't say no.
But anyhow, it's all good. It's job security and more fun items to do. If you like content like this, give us a thumbs up. Leave a like down below. Even subscribe to our channel. If you don't like this, then just keep it to yourself.
Tell him thanks for watching.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.